smashed it.
Yeah, you're really good.
Thank you guys, thank you.
QVC now.
Yeah, Hollyfield out. Hi, I'm Lucy and I'm here with Mylee ambassador and footballer Katie Zelem. Today we're here for Nail Talk, so let's get into it. Can you tell us a little bit about your career and what you've been up to?
So I actually first started playing when I was like 4 or 5 years old and signed for my first team at 6. It was a boys' team, so I was the only girl on the team. And the only girl in the league, actually. So when we used to play against the other teams, they all used to shout, "They've got a girl on the team."
Because you're the only one.
And then after that, I signed for Man United at like 8 or 9 years old.
That's so young, isn't it?
Yeah, so looking back, it was like the best thing I ever did, but at the time I was like really scared to go there and leave all my mates, and all the lads were like, "Don't go, Katie, like we love you." And then United didn't have a women's team, so I signed for Liverpool for 5 years. And 5 years ago, came back to Man United, so it's almost like gone full circle really, and it's the club I've always supported, and all my friends and family are in Manchester, so it's perfect for me at the minute.
So what are you doing here today, Katie?
So just here with Mylee, getting my nails done. It's something, as most people know, I really enjoy doing, and I won't go 2 or 3 weeks without getting my nails done, so hopefully today create a little masterpiece.
Absolutely.
With some nail art and see how they turn out.